To perform an automatic calibration of the Sensit HXG3P, we will need the instrument itself, the cal station with instrument hose, and the calibration gas, which is 2.5% methane by volume, balanced air, with a regulator and cal adapter attached to the black inlet of the cal station. To begin, power on the instrument by pressing and holding the A button. The model type and hardware version number will be displayed, followed by a system check. The date and time will be displayed, the gas type, the serial number, and finally a brief warm-up. After the warm-up, the instrument will auto-zero, and the screen will advance to the working display. Allow the instrument to warm up for an additional 5 to 10 minutes before calibrating. To begin, place the instrument in the cradle of the cal station, attach the instrument hose to the end of the gooseneck, and enter into Smart Cal mode by pressing and holding the A button for 1 to 2 seconds. Press and release the calibrate button on the cal station, and the process will begin. Our device has been found. There will be a flow check, followed by a 60-second purge. After the purge is complete, the instrument will auto-zero, and the calibration will begin. We are now calibrating 2.5% methane. Once a stable reading has been achieved, data saved will be displayed on the instrument, and pass will be displayed on the cal station. The number on the display of the instrument is the raw output of the sensor, and is useful as a reference when troubleshooting if any issues should occur. Calibration has passed. We can remove the instrument hose from the end of the gooseneck, exit out of the calibration mode on the cal station by pressing and releasing the calibrate or clear button, and exit out of the Smart Cal mode on the instrument by pressing and releasing the A button. Allow the instrument to clear for 60 seconds or until the display reads 0 before powering the instrument off. To verify the calibration date, enter into the user menu by pressing and holding the B button, and scroll through the menu by pressing and releasing the C button until Show Cal Log appears. Select by pressing and releasing the B button, and we'll have a display for the calibration point and the most recent date that the instrument was calibrated. Pressing and releasing a button will return to the user menu. And we can return to the working display by pressing and releasing the A button.